In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of task boxes in Asana 2025 step by step. Color coding in Asana is a simple way to make your calendar and board views more scannable. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to use a custom drop-down field to drive the color of each task box, so priorities, statuses, or content types stand out at a glance. Start by opening the project where you want colors to appear. You can do this in any view, but it helps to preview your results in calendar or board view since that's where task boxes visibly change color. If you're working in list view, don't worry, you can set everything up there first and switch views to preview later. Next, open the Customize panel in the top right corner of your project. In the Field section, select Add Custom Field. Choose the drop-down field type. This is important because only drop-down fields can power the color of task boxes in calendar and board views. Give the field a clear name so teammates know exactly what it controls. Now add your drop-down options, keeping in mind that each option carries its own color. For example, you might create high priority, medium, and low, or categories like content type and status. Common pairings are high priority in red, medium in yellow, low in green, content type in purple or blue, and status in orange or gray. These are just examples. Use labels that match your workflow and keep your set small and consistent for quick scanning. Assigning colors to options is straightforward. Asana provides a preset color for each option, and you can change it by clicking the color circle next to the option name. Pick bold, distinct colors for options you use most often. If multiple fields might appear on a task, try to avoid overlapping colors so you don't create visual confusion. To see the colors in action, open any task in the project and look for your new drop-down field in the task details. Select the option you want. As soon as you choose it, the task box in calendar or board view adopts that option's color. This is what makes schedules, sprints, and content pipelines easier to manage at a glance. If you don't see the color change, confirm you added the field to the project and that you're viewing calendar or board. Also ensure you have permission to customize the project. You can edit colors or option names anytime from the Customize panel, and the changes will update across tasks instantly. Keep your labels clear, your colors intentional, and your set lean, and your Asana boards will become much easier to navigate.